Hey folks, did I salvage your table?
So what did you do with the gaps you filled it in?
Yeah, I put some putty.
Putty?
Wood putty.
Wood putty, okay.
And,
You didn't like the gaps, but you
Yeah.
filled them in.
and some of the,
Joshua suggested that he put a shelf on the bottom. Because if we're going to use it inside, we're going to want to store things on the bottom.
see, okay. How about it?
Oh, it still has a strong smell. But I wouldn't leave it out here though, because what if it rains? So pose by your table so I could get a thumbnail. Okay, so we're gonna put the table inside the house probably tomorrow because it still has the strong smell of the varnish or whatever he put on it, and that will give me a massive headache. But we're gonna put it underneath the covering because I don't want it to get wet.
What I'm gonna do, folks, I'm gonna use this for right now.
See, like Joe doesn't like things like this, guys. You know how he merged two pieces of wood together and he has this crack? But I like things like that.
Yeah, I run out of putty, so I couldn't fix this area.
Well, I could understand you wouldn't want to sell somebody this, but
no.
me personally, I love things that are flawed. You know what I mean?
That's why you love me.
Oh, Lord have mercy, it's cold.
Okay. Can you bring me a beer?
A beer in this cold? I'll bring you some hot chocolate.
So I could use my table. This is my coffee table, folks.
Your viewers love it.
Yeah?
Your viewers love it. You have like 6 people that comment all the time and they all love it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You see, the problem is the way how this table is supposed to design is to cut these jigs. Like, see, you got this piece go here, this piece go here. And you're supposed to cut it out and just clip them together, pop, look nice and neat. Put some glue and don't use no nuts.
Then are you supposed to have one solid piece on the top?
Huh?
Was it supposed to be one solid piece on the top?
You could put a solid piece
or
if
the
you
planks?
You could put, I mean...
No, like in this part, was that supposed to be one solid piece so you didn't have those gaps?
Yeah.
And you did pieces because that's what you got for free, right?
I put this in. These are 2x4.
But it's supposed to be like one piece.
Yeah. I mean,
okay.
you don't have to be one piece.
Okay, so what are you not pleased with on the
What
table?
I don't please of it was if get on the frame. See how these here, they're supposed to be, don't have no gap here.
Okay.
Nice and tight.
Do you know what I just noticed? This makes a cross.
Yeah.
It's a cross. Look.
Look,
guys.
If you see this part, see how this open, I got to put a piece in there. So I never cut
Look,
it.
we have 4 crosses protecting the 4 of us in this house.
See? So
Yes, Jesus loves me.
then you don't have to put this in here in the middle. You could just put a plank like you said over on the top.
Yeah.
But
I'm cold.
I do it different. I just want to look rough and rugged like me.
Rough and rugged. It's not a song that goes like that. Oh,
But the smell is gone. You can go inside now.
I wanted us to. He is so persistent. Let's put it inside to show them what it'll look like. Come.
Let's go. Move that old stuff out the way.
You always have to win.
It's as heavy as that one.
Winifred, you coming? Cora, what about you? You coming? Oh, yeah, you crazy again. Jory better come on, take that demented dog somewhere. Let's see.
Same thing.
Oh man, that eye's really full, Najah.
Same thing.
Oh my goodness. It is so heavy, guys. I like it. Let me put the Christmas tree on.
It's not bad.
I think it's cute.
It's workable.
Okay, comment below, Joe's viewers, comment below what you think about the table. I mean, for him getting all this wood from that construction site, right? And just putting something, that's the part that I love.
I just cut it. I mean,
You know what made this table cuter?
Yeah.
If you had etched a heart in there, go Joe loves Barbara. Babs loves Joe. I think it's cute.
Folks, we're out here at the Victoria Garden Mall in Rancho Cucamonga. See how big the parking lot? Way over there, way back there.
So this is an outdoor mall, let them know.
Yeah, this is an outdoor mall. So you walk like you're walking in the street, and you just go in the building, look for what you want, come back out. I like it like that.
The part that sucks about this mall is that I think it's Macy's has 2 buildings.
Yeah.
So you go into one building, I think it's women and children, and then you have to leave that building to go to the men's building. And it kind of sucks because Joe can't be over there shopping in the men's and I'm over here in the women's because I don't know where the hell to go find the next building. I get turned around. And so I'm like, no, stay here until I'm done.
And she get lost real quick.
Real easy. You could blindfold me right now, spin around 2 times and I'm lost.
See, I was telling you folks, it's an outdoor mall too. Like you walk in the street, there's a nice restaurant. Not too crowded today. Cause which restaurant is it?
I think because we didn't come on the weekend.
Nah, I don't want to give you a bar because you want to drink all the liquor.
I told Joe to build me a bar like this and he said I want to drink all the liquor.
You want to drink all the liquor. You want to drink all the liquor.
Really know how to vacation.
Let's go down here. It's somewhere in the back down there.
It's all lights? Is that somebody doing van life?
That's not bad. That's trailer life. Folks, this is Main Street in not Ontario, in the Victoria.
Within the mall area.
Within the mall area, Victoria Garden.
But then when you go to the Mission Inn, it's on Main Street also. Gold Gym.
Goals?
Golds.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I never know they still exist.
I don't know that exists either. At the mall.
Nobody's really working on it anymore. Everybody just pause the talk. And then on their phone. See?
Gold Gym, folks.
Buy one, get one free shoes. Is it Payless?
Alright, what's the name? Where's the tree at? I don't know the tree at.
So long, I don't remember a lot of it.
I'm gonna take a snapshot.
But who knows when you not eat something. Oh no. You don't understand.
Wow. Look, this is a Christmas tree. And over here in the Victoria Garden in Rancho Cucamonga. Over there is Macy's. It's not too crowded today.
Yeah, for rice, yeah. Go back and talk to her later. That's good. Look at your eyes.
This thing look up. It look like a tree. No, I say it look like a like it's not those rings and stuff. It look like a
real tree?
real tree, but it's you can see it's artificial, but we ain't got it.
but it has like branches.
That's what I'm saying.
It's like they put branches onto the trunk. Look at the trunk.
That's what, yeah.
I could get my boo's face on it though. It's a beautiful tree. I hope you guys enjoy this. When the pandemic was on, I missed coming to see this tree because they didn't have it up for a couple of years.
That's gonna be cute. That's gonna be cute.
Happy holidays.
And, Santa Claus.
These are all cute.
Wow.
The poutine fries.
I guess then if you have to take a picture here, then just go take a picture.
I don't know. You take a picture with Santa Claus? Yeah, there's Santa Claus over there. I too big to take a picture with Santa Claus.
As you want one trophy and picture right off of your lap. Ah, look at the little babies. That's so cute. That's Santa he on diet.
They're on his string.
Yo, Santa he string.
Get some more pillow and stuff his stomach. Escape game. What's that? It's a game place. Some duck donuts.
Donuts, I can make my own.
Right there.
Hello, people. Hello, people. Joe here.
Barbara here. Way down this side. I said we're way down here.
Alright guys, comment below and tell us which cocktail table should remain in the living room for right now, because Joe says he's gonna make another one in the near future. So this lighter one or the darker one, I really still love the darker one, but I love this one too. I'm so conflicted. It's like my children. I love 3 of them equally. But some of them have traits about them that I like more or like less. Anyways, it's not the same depth, right? It's not the same. This one's a bigger depth. This one's wider than this one, but they're the same height. Tell me what to do, guys. I'm serious. Which one do you like? Jada already picked one. Quick, you gotta go like that.
I like them both.
No, you can't pick both. I'm already Switzerland in this.
I like the bigger one.
Jada like the bigger one too. Let's see what
Because
Joshua
we can
says.
hold more stuff.
Let's see what Joshua says. The light one is table A, the dark one is table B. Which one should remain in the living room?
Light.
The light one? Everybody picked the light one.
Bigger.
That's the same reason why Daddy likes it, because it's bigger. All right, we're asking Daddy's viewers to pick too. They're involved in this. Cool. Wrap up your show really quickly so we could put up Vlogmas Day 7 for you.
Folks, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. And I miss anything.
Now, leave a comment
And leave a comment.
down below.
Thank you, folks. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.